sound of the pearl. I searched all night looking for the pearl. It stayed before my eyes as my mind wondered at the beauty of something inside my mind. A pearl, suspended, hung in the air like the earth upon its turning axis. The pearl was still. It was this stillness of light that drew me to search. I heard a sound that was no sound. It was the movement of my mind reaching to grasp this iridescent light. The splendor of the moment delivered a message. Search for the pearl. Search for the pearl gates, and you will find your hidden note. The light holds the answer hanging in the air, swinging lightly on a string of lights, marching toward the pearly gates of truth. Here the light is, heard to speak forth its brilliance. Everything is written in the light. The pearl of great price is the hymn that I sing as I swing in the garden of his wings. I am refreshed and awakened. I have found the greater light in the pearl. It is the deliverer of truth. He is Yah.